iQOO has already revealed the front design of their upcoming flagship. This is iQOO 13 display front first look hands-on. And this is the box iQOO 13. iQOO has confirmed the iQOO 13 will boast BOE's latest Q10 panel, promising a 2K resolution and a smooth 144Hz refresh rate. The Q10 display also reportedly boasts higher brightness, a longer lifespan, and lower color deviation compared to competitors. There will also be an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. And few days back, see your first look the back design iQOO 13, which features a design very similar to its predecessor. 3 camera aligned will be equipped with RGB lights around the camera deco with features, lit when gaming, selecting battery saver, performance mode. iQOO 13 pre-orders begin in China, with an expected launch date of October 30, 2024. The iQOO 13 will be launching in India on December 5. The phone will be powered by the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. It is also expected to feature an IP68 rated body fitted with a metal middle frame. Its feature a 50MP Sony IMX921 main sensor, 50MP Samsung ISOCELL JN1 ultra-wide sensor, a 50MP Sony IMX826 telephoto camera with 2x zoom. The phone could pack a 6,100 mAh dual-cell battery with support for 120W fast charging. Wireless charging is expected to reach 50W. The starting price could be around 55,000 Indian rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.